Hey guys, it's your girl Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are most indefinitely welcome. Also, if you are returning back to this YouTube channel, thank you so much for sticking with this baby girl. I don't take it for granted at all. So in today's I said I was going to stop saying so too much in my videos. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I groom and shaping my eyebrows with my razor blade. I've been very lazy to shaping my brows for a long time, so I've just been doing like lazy brows of late, but because of this video I have to shaping my brows now. So here we are, and forgive my background, I'm kind of having malaria symptoms, so my face is kind of dull, my voice down and everything. Anyways, I'm just taking a cup of tea so that my voice can clear for the next videos. My background was not cooperating with me. Now I told you I had to DIY it till I could get a permanent fix, and it's so sad that I've not gotten a permanent fix yet. So let's just get into this video. So if you want to know how I grow my brows and shaping it with a razor blade, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just using my spoolie to brush up the excess hair that I have that has grown on my brows. Next up is I am going in with my bathing soap. Now you can go in with any soap as long as it is soap, okay? And I'm taking the tip of my finger and just using it to apply the soap and pull up the excess hair that I have in my eyebrow. So I'm just pulling it up and I'm going to wait for it to dry before I will then start shaping. I'm sorry I could not continue with the video so I had to do like a voiceover. My voice was really dull. Now it is dried and I'm going to be taking my new razor blade. I got this for 20 naira. I think I got a pack for 200 naira. So I'm just going in with my new razor blade and I'm starting from the tip of my eyebrows, and I'm just working my way down to the tail of my brows. See that it's already making like a lot of difference. So I'm just going to furthermore go in with my blade and I'm going to just walk my way from the beginning of my brows down to the tail. I had to take it from the top because I wasn't comfortable with that position. Now for hello beginners that are going to be watching this video, you are not going to get it outrightly once, okay? So you have to keep practicing and trying, so that you get it. You would get it eventually, really, but you just need to practice. So I'm just picking up those excess hair, and I want to make sure that I have a straight line down from the beginning of my brows to the tail of my brows. So I'm just going in like that, okay? Yeah, I think okay, there's still some hair there. Let's take it off. Off you go. Thank you. Yeah, so this is what we are looking like right now. Next up is, see the way I'm holding my blade. It is very important. So I want to take off the excess hair. Now if you have an extra skin, so that you don't cut yourself, you might just want to pull up your skin before you do this part of your brows. I was holding my mirror, so I couldn't pull up my skin. I think at some point I cut myself just a little bit, but it is fine. So I'm just taking off the excess hair that has grown, and I'm doing that slowly with a steady hand. Now you don't want to have shaky hands doing this because you don't want to cut yourself, okay? And you want to make sure that you're not taking too much hair out. You just want to maintain taking off the hair as the border where you don't want all those hair to be. So yeah, this is what it is looking like right now. So I'm going to be taking my blade from the top. I'm just going to be advancing downwards towards my brow. This is just for that take off any hair or excess hair that would have grown, just precaution really. And then it gives your brow that precision all the way from the top. Do you see what I'm saying? So now I have that straight line that I'm looking for, and then my brows is beginning to make sense. Anyways, now we're going to focus at the tip of the brows where the hack is supposed to be. So I'm just going to hold my skin. This part, you see that I've cut myself like a little, so I had to just hold my skin. So I'm just taking it gradually. And I'm just advancing towards the tail of my brows, bearing in mind that I have an hack that I'm supposed to like watch for. So you just want to do that with a steady hand so that you don't take off the air at your natural arc, and then you start looking for air to put there. So just be careful when picking the hair. Really, like I said, practice. Once you practice with time, you will get really good with this. So I'm just shaping and shaping. You're beginning to see the difference between my right brows and my left brows. There's now a difference. Okay, so I'm just shaping. Now I'm going to be like brushing up the hair. Now I'm brushing it down because I want to trim off the hair a little. Now I don't want to do this too much because as much as I want to shape in my brows, I also want to have a natural brow look in case I don't have the luxury of time to actually draw my brows when I'm going out. So I'm just going to be taking it off just a little bit. Now this side is tricky, okay? So you want to make sure that you're not taking too much air off your brows at this point. You want to be very, 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 very careful at this point. So I'm just going to further, I'm going to like brush it up to just see what I have after trimming off all the excess air. I'm just okay. Yeah, not bad. Also, you want to have a wipes or a toner or cleanser so that you can use it to like clean off all the excess hair and maybe some blood that would come out during the process of shaping your brows. So I just want to see if I like what I have, if I am satisfied with what I have. Now you can further trim, but like I said, because I like to have like natural brows when I'm not wearing makeup and all. Okay, so I just want it this way. But then if you would rather trim more, then it's totally fine by you. But I want to just get like the straight line that I was looking for. Okay, so I'm just going to like trim just a little bit at the hack side as well. There you go. And then we have what we're looking for. Yeah, so you see the difference. There is a big difference. Okay, look at that, a huge difference at that. So this is how I shaping and groom my eyebrows. Really, this is how I shaping and groom my eyebrows. So here goes my right eye and my left brows, sorry. So that is it. Anyways, next up I want to clean. This part is going to be very peppery. Some use perfumes, but I have this toner that I use. If you have not seen my DIY skincare routine, in that video I put the ingredients to this toner that I'm using, so I'll leave the link to that video in the description box so you can check out you can check out that video and see how I made my toner. So I'm just applying. I applied a little bit of the toner to my cotton wool, and I'm just cleaning off. Yeah, this process is in fact, I wish you could hear my ouch when I was cleaning in this video, but then I guess you can't hear it after all. Anyways, I'm just cleaning off to just, okay, I can still see some blood. Okay, this blood should stop now. Okay, off you go. Off. Thank you. Yeah, so this is how I shaping my brows, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscription is free. Smash that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and also hit that bell so that you'll be the first to know once I drop a new post. Bye guys.